In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. Here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category property except major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is attractive and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property along with various plans and payment policies. You are planning to pay, you can do so by provided in the description. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends,